wants ice cream? Let's learn colors with Baby Bear's ice cream. Ting ting, ice cream time.
Yellow ice cream.
Yay! Yellow ice cream makes everyone smile. Ting ting, ice cream time.
Red ice cream.
Yay! Red ice cream is yummy and fun. Chocolate ice cream time.
Brown ice cream.
Not for puppies, only for friends.
Yay!
Ice cream in the snow.
White ice cream.
Even the bunnies love white ice cream.
Ice cream, ice cream, orange ice cream.
Even Mr. Crab loves orange ice cream.
Yay!
Ting ting, ice cream in the forest.
Green ice cream.
Silly squirrel, this is green for us.
Yay! Ice cream time.
Pink ice cream.
Even Kitty loves pink. Yay!
Pink ice cream for happy hearts. Ding ding, ice cream time.
Blue ice cream.
Yummy blue ice cream for everyone. Wow, look, Baby Bear. It's half white, half black.
Half white ice cream.
Half white, the magic of day and night. Wow, look, Baby Bear. Our magical black ice cream.
Black ice cream.
Yay, black is magical. Purple ice cream. Look, Baby Bear. Even the balloons love purple. Yay! Purple ice cream makes every fair magical. Now let's make a pretty pink ice cream.
Pink ice cream. Yum, yum.
Pink is sweet and fun.